Welcome to RAISINS.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, go to Data Analysis and choose Descriptive Statistics. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the variables for Descriptive Statistics, and next select a grouping variable. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the plots. In the Classification tab allows you to convert any numerical variable in your dataset into meaningful categories. This is useful for descriptive exploration, distribution analysis, reporting, and preparing variables for further categorical analysis such as chi-square. In the chi-square tab, you can assess whether two categorical variables in your dataset are statistically associated or independent. The chi-square test is a widely used non-parametric method that compares the observed frequencies in each category with the frequencies expected under the assumption of independence. If you have any doubts, click FAQs, get started with RAISINS.live, and make your data speak.